Creating content is cool. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can DIY your content like a pro. Okay, so you are seeing me looking so different from what I actually made the video with. I made this video with an Android, and I'm going to show you how you can color grade your video from the usual Android color or the usual color you made the video with to a professional looking color, and even change your background or make some adjustment. This is just a simple editing that you can do with your CapCut. So one thing you have to do right now is to stick with me, like this video, subscribe so that more persons. So let's go straight into our editing app right here, CapCut. So here we are on CapCut. I'm not a pro editor, but I'm just going to show you guys this. So I'll click on add new clip, and then I'm going to add the clip right there. So here we are adding new clip. We've added new clip. So I'm actually editing this video that you are watching, right? So now this is the clip right here, and before you do any cut or any adjustment, because the moment you split, whatever color grading you're going to do on your on the video, you have to replicate it on every other clip, so you don't want to split before changing the color. So now you tap on the video, scroll and look for adjust. Let's click on adjust. Now here we are in adjust. Now the next thing you want to do is to increase the brightness or reduce the brightness, but I prefer to reduce the brightness. Okay, then the contrast, either increase it. So I'm going to increase the contrast to like 15, then adjust the saturation. Let's keep it at like about 20, and then the brilliance, I like to reduce brilliance to like about 8. Then I like to make it a bit sharp. Let's give it about 52. Then clarity, it's always good to make your video clear, so let me leave it at about 34. Then we don't have anything to do with this. What we are looking for right now is we have the vignette. You can either choose the white or choose the black, just to make the edges of your video a bit dark. And that's basically all. Highlight, highlight. Let's make highlight. This is to -11. Now look at the video now. Creating content is cool.